Hi, I combine photography and GPS measurements to create precise 3D visualizations. I will create these videos both as a reminder to myself, because sometimes I will use software and then time pass, and once I have to use it again I will have forgotten what I did the last time, and I always wished I had created a video. So this is the beginning, and hopefully you will also find some techniques that are maybe different from what you do or the approaches you take. And I think I do it a bit different. At least some of the ways I do it is not something I've been able to find on YouTube or through Google searches. So, and also a last thing, I am planning to make these videos without a script, but more the different topics I want to create, because otherwise I will just postpone creating these videos again and again. So this is me jumping head first, and I hope you find it useful as well. Thanks.